This is all you need to get started on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm not going to show you how to open a new YouTube channel, but then I'm going to show you how you can optimize your channel for maximum result. All you have to do is just to watch the videos from the beginning to the end to practice everything I've taught in this video.
Hello guys, so I will not only teach you how to open a YouTube channel, but I'm also going to teach you how you can optimize it. And we are going to be using my channel. This channel you are watching me from as an example. So right now all we have to do is to go to youtube.com, and it's going to on your Chrome browser or Safari or on your Android phone. So right now I'm using my Android phone, but then you can use your Android as well, following the same method. So you go to your browser. So right now I'm on my Chrome browser, and on my Chrome browser I actually typed in youtube.com, so it brought me to this page. So why it's showing like this is because I don't have any account on it, like I don't have any Gmail signed it on it. So right now I'm going to sign in my Gmail, then we'll proceed from there. So guys, I've logged in my Gmail with my details, and please remember that if you don't have a Gmail, you can easily go to gmail.com and create one for yourself using just your name and your name. I think you just need your name, then later on you add your number. So now I'm on the YouTube page, so I'm going to click on my profile. So for now I don't have a I don't have a YouTube channel, so I'm going to create one. Now I'm about to create my channel. So right now my phone is still on a phone mode. I'm going to be switching this to a desktop mode because we need a desktop mode for this. So for me to do that, I'll just click on this three dots here. I'll click on it, then I'll request a desktop site. All right, you can always do this on your Android or on your iPhone. So I have created, I'm on my desktop mode now, so I'm just going to choose the name I want to use. All right, so my name is okay, but then I want to change this to a capital letter. Oh no, I want to change the G to a capital letter. Let me just cancel. Okay, grow with D. Very nice. This one, so I think I'll just grow with D underscore 15. It's okay. So that's this, okay. So right now I'll create channel, right? So create channel. So my channel is being created. Voila, I have really created my channel. So remember, I told you I'm going to teach you how you can also optimize this channel. All right, so after you've done this, you see customize channel. So for that, I'm going to click on that customize channel so we can proceed. So it's going to take me to this page, whereas I don't want to use this page, so I'm just going to back it up. I'm going back, then I'm going to go back. Now still remember that we are still on the desktop mode, right? So let me load this. So I'll click on this this little this thing here, then I'll click on YouTube Studio. While you're using the desktop side, you don't need to use your desktop. You don't need to download the app. So it will tell you, welcome to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has personalized insight and the latest news and insider tips, analysis, and more. So I'm just going to click on continue. All right. So this is what my YouTube Studio is looking like. So right now I'm going to click on customize. There's customize here. So I'm very familiar with this keyboards, but then you can always bring out these three arrows. So it's going to tell you what and what you're clicking on. So right now the interface we are right now is for me to upload my banner and my picture. So I won't be uploading my banner, but then if you want to upload your banner, you can always create your banner on Canva. You can always come here on Canva to create a banner for yourself. All you have to do is just to click is to search for YouTube banner. It's going to give you the actual size, then you work on it. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a detailed video on how to create YouTube banner, and I'm going to do that for you. So I don't really want to waste our time, so let me continue. So right now I'm going to upload my image. All right, is either you upload your image or your channel logo. So for me, because this is my personal channel, so I'm going to be using my image. All right, so this is my image and I'm going to be using just that. So This eye is going to be on the, I'm trying to see if I can drop it down or stuff like that, but then it's okay like this. So I click on done. I'm okay with that. Then my channel name, as you can see, my channel name is like this. Then my username is fine. Now to come to this, we need a well detailed description. So for mine, I've written down the description I want to use for my channel. So I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to paste it. So let me quickly sign in my document and then I'll be back. All right guys, so you're welcome back. So I have actually copied my channel description. So what I did here was just to go to ChatGPT and told ChatGPT, I gave it the right prompt I want to use. Like I needed that for my YouTube channel and I needed to give me a well detailed description. Oh, a detailed description about my channel, what my channel is all about. Then ChatGPT did a very good job to craft out this description for me. So this is quite much. So I'm going to reduce it now. So I'm going to reduce it from here. Okay. It's quite long. It should have been more than 1,000. So I'm just going to. It's too much. Oh god. I'm so sorry guys. So overall content. So let me continue from here. In as much I want it to be very optimized, but I have no choice than to delete it now because the words are quite much. So I'm just going to delete what you expect, right? It's quite much. I don't know if it's this much. So subscribe now. Let's build our YouTube empire together. Hit the subscribe button and start going today. So take time with that, alright? So for my languages, I'm going to add English, alright? English. Now you know we have different type of English, but I'm just going to choose English, alright? So I'm fine with that. So okay, let me still select English. Oh, what's going on? Okay, I think I have to write my channel name. Though I've not translation. Okay, I think French. I can't choose English again, so oh, let me use French. Oh no, just in case another language person comes to my channel so they can actually do that. So I've actually added my language. So this is my channel URL. So if I have external links I want to add, probably I have my Instagram, my Facebook and TikTok I want to add, I'm going to click on this add button. I'm going to do that. Then again, I need for people that want to contact me for business inquiries. So this is, I'm going to just write my my Gmail here for people that want to contact for job. Okay, so I'm going to write at gmail.com. I'm sorry, I think I'm done. So this is what is looking like, all right guys. So we need a video watermark. Now this video watermark will prevent your videos to be used by another person. So you can actually add your picture or you add a subscribe button. Now if you notice that if you watch some people's channel, some people's video, you see a subscribe button, this is where they add it. So I'm going to upload one. If you want me to create a detailed video on how you can do that, please let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do just that for you. All right, I mean, I really mean us growing together, so we have to do this together. So this eye is going to appear on every of my videos. So now I want it to appear, the display time I want it to display on entire video, on every of my videos. So from beginning to the end, this subscribe button is going to display. So I'm done with that. Then my home tab, I don't have any picture, I don't have any videos here, so I'm going to be teaching you how to use this home tab after I've uploaded various pictures. All right, I mean various videos, but for now I won't be touching that. Then let me know again in the comment section if you want me to create how to create a banner. So I'm going to click on publish and it's going to be live. So this is how my channel is going to be looking to everyone that comes to my channel. So that's done. Now I'm going to go back to my settings. All right, so from there you come to your settings, and when you come to your settings, this is another phase of on how to optimize your channel. So you come to your settings. All right, so when you are here on your settings, you click on, you see general, then you see channel. So right now my country of residence is not selected, so all I have to do is to select the country I am in. So I advise that you select the country you are in to avoid some problems later on, like if you want to receive your this thing, what's it called, your asset pin. So I advise that you put your country that you're in. So now the keywords to your channel, you have to write this in details. Now for example, you are I am very sure you have a channel you want to look up to, so you have to go to their channel to see the kind of keywords they use. So I've written mine, so let me quickly copy from my Google Docs because I've written everything down. I took my time to research about this. All right, don't just jump into opening a YouTube channel. Always take your time to research on what you want to do on your channel, the kind of channel you want to model. So these are the keywords that are good for my channel. So all I'm going to do now is just to copy this. I'm going to copy all of this. All right, then I'll go back to my YouTube channel to paste it. Now when you are writing your keywords, make sure that you add your comma, so automatically when you input it, it's going to be there. So I want to add my keywords, so I'm going to just paste. All right, so I have added all my keywords, and that's about 392, which I think is not still much, but it's okay because we have maximum of 500 words. So I'm done with that. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go to the advanced settings. All right, so on this advanced settings, you choose the kind of who your video, I mean the audience your video is for. So now the first option says set this channel as made for kids. So no, my channel is not made for kids, so I won't be doing that. So I'll be clicking on no. Set this channel as not made for kids, as almost as okay, I almost never upload content that are made for kids, because yes, my contents are not for kids. But then if your content is for kids, you click on yes is for kids, or you want to review it every time, you click on I want to review this setting on every video upload. So you are going to you are good to go about that. Now you can always allow third party, but then this is not for beginner. So we'll come to this features eligibility. Now we have three type of features eligibility. So the standard features I'm enabled. All right, I'm enabled, which is just channel is free for active community guidelines. So I have done that. But then for you to really be able to be eligible on this your YouTube channel, you have to fill in this other two. So right now this one requires my phone number. I have to verify my channel, so YouTube will know that this channel is being handled by a woman being and not a bot. All right, so right now I think I have to do that. All right, let me quickly do that. I'm just going to cover that so you guys will not see it. So I advise that when you want to verify your channel, please always, okay, for Nigerians, for Nigerians, I advise that you use an MTN line, which I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to, mine is +234. So guys, after you have verified your channel, you are going to come to an interface like this. After you have verified with your number, so this is what is going to show. It is very important to do this as well. So guys, the next step we have to do is the advanced features. Now for this advanced features, yeah, it is very compulsory. So YouTube will know that it is not a robot that is operating the channel. Alright. So it's either you use your card, or you use your video verification, or you use channel history. So I advise that you use video verification. Then you can use any of the three is okay. Alright. So I've done mine and it was approved on YouTube. So you have to do yours too. Just follow the step and you get done with it. So the next thing we are going to do now is to move to upload default. Okay, now you don't need to write any text here, because definitely what you are uploading every time will be different from each other. So your title and your description doesn't really matter. Then your visibility is either you put it public or you put it private or unlisted. All right, but I advise you leave it public. Then while you are uploading, you will always, you just find your way around it. Then for your tags too, your tag changes, then you go to your advanced settings. On your advanced settings, all right, you will see automatic whatever, you leave it like that. You will not leave, you will not touch it. Then you go to your video language, you select English language. Your title and description language, you select English language. Then you come to this category. All right, my category is how to and style. So you can come through here and select the category your channel falls on. Oh god, your channel falls on. Okay, it is very important to do so. It is so important to do so, so you to be able to categorize your videos. All right, so I think the next one here is permission. The remaining three here are not really necessary now as a beginner. So this is how you can open a new channel and also optimize it at the same time. All right, so before I leave here, I really want to show you guys something. Okay, so we are just 4 subscribers here, and I have lot of viewers that are not subscribed. So please, I'm begging you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please don't forget to share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I trust you have gotten value from this video. See you in my next one. Bye.